Hello there. In this video I want to take you through the Excel error, how we can create an Excel error, or how can an Excel error occur when you are using an Excel, like you are creating a report card or you are doing some calculation, you are entering your data using an Excel, and somewhere you may find that you have made a mistake. The number, let me say, if you want to get like a total, the result that you want to get may not be correct. That's due to the Excel error. So before that, if you want to create an Excel error, or you want to show people how an Excel error occurs, then you need to go to Microsoft Excel. And where can we find the Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel, you can only find it in the startup menu, which is located at the left bottom of our computer. You tap on it to open, then you need to type Excel, and it will be able to open for you. It will show for you Excel, then you need to open it by clicking on it. And as you can see, this is our Excel, and we have in an Excel we are going to find something like Plan Workbook, Welcome to Excel, and many others. But our main intention is to create or to show how an Excel error occurred. So that means we are going to use what we call a blank workbook. Tap on it to open, and you are going to see this empty space. So in an Excel error, these are the things that normally occur. The first one is when you are entering a data in a small space. Let me put it like this. If you have like 56,000, and then the second one you have like 78,000, and you want to get like a total, then you know very well that if you want to get a total, you need to use the sum. But for you forgot, or you use the plus sign. By writing equal sign plus, you open the bracket, and then you say from here up to from A to B. Then you try to close, and if you are to enter your result, you are not going to get the final answer that you want, because you have entered a wrong function or a wrong formula for getting the sum, or for getting the total. Like if you try to pull them down, it will bring all of these things. You can see each named. You can see these are the errors that you have made. So if you want to correct it, just come here and correct your work by putting this one. Instead of putting a plus sign, you write equal sign, and then the sum of this one up to here. Then you close. After closing, you enter. Then you will be able to see the result, the correct result. So this is how we create it, and there are some other errors that occur. There are some other errors that you can also be able to see it, like if you are entering a large value in a small space. You are entering a large value in a small space, then those are errors that will occur for you. Like, let me assume that this one is your answer, as you can see, this one is your answer, but you can see that this is the answer, and our answer is well correct, and for you, instead of, you can see the length of our answer, but for you, if you put it like this, it will not give you the correct answer. Why? Because the space you have given is not correct. You can see it has given as. Why? Because you are using a small space to enter a large data. That will cause for you an error. How can we correct that one? You need to enlarge the space. You enlarge the space, as you can see, in order for it to bring for you the right answer. Sometimes you can also do like this. There are some other errors, like if you are entering a value, then you see that 6 and 8, you are entering a value, but for this side you are given like 7, and you are giving something like 4. Yeah, so you want to get a total. You can see that here we have 6 plus 8, but for this side we have 7 plus 9, and again we have, there's nothing here, and we have also some value here. You want to get that total. You will not be able to bring for you the answer, as you can see. From here to this one, you close, and if you try to enter it, it will bring for you the answer, and as you can see. And if you try to put something like H, are you seeing? It will not bring you the correct answer. Why? Because you have entered it wrongly. So basically, this is how an Excel error can be created when you are using an Excel. You are creating your decimal, you are entering your decimal, but you find somewhere that you have made a mistake, and the result that you want is not given due to the Excel error. Now, if you find this video so interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me for more things.